नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं सौरभ शर्मा। आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ नेशन। दोस्तों, खास मेहमान मौजूद है, खास बातों पे बातचीत होगी, श्रीलंका की बात होगी। मेरे साथ टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर मौजूद है। सर, वेलकम टू न्यूज़ नेशन।
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So, we have seen a series of road shows. We have started and you have started from the Taj Delhi. So, how are you looking for the series of the road shows in other states as well?
Well, actually, we just started off from Gujarat, actually Ahmedabad, and then we went to Kerala, and this is the third one, and this is Delhi, and then we're going to Mumbai as well as to Hyderabad. We are looking at India as a big brother for Sri Lanka every time that we are not doing well. So currently, Sri Lanka is recovering after a series of financial as well as political turmoil. But currently, we have got back very fast, and Sri Lanka is back to normal. Everything is open. There is no queues. So we feel that there's lots of negative news on Sri Lanka. So we thought road shows would be the ideal way just to invite them, invite main organizers, to operators to come to Sri Lanka, have a look at it, and support us.
So, for the tourism, you've been giving a treat for the multiple visas as well. So, if you can tell the people because they've been waiting.
Yes. So in before we our visa was on arrival, they can take it on ETA system where it's online. It was $35, but maximum they could stay is for 30 days. But now it can be up to 6 months that they can stay at one go. And also we have introduced a 5-year multiple visa, which is only $250 and maximum stay of 90 days, 3 months. So we're looking at long stays, and we're looking at Sri Lanka as a destination where Indians, all Indians, can actually enjoy, because there's so much to offer. There is the pilgrimages, the Ramayana trails, the leisure, the honeymoon, the mice market. So Sri Lanka has it everything for everyone.
So there is a gift for football lovers in November as well, and you have been in talking terms with the Qatar as well. So what is the treat and the gift Sri Lanka is going to provide to the football lovers there?
Oh yes, so what we're looking at is going to Doha will be very expensive because it's only 40,000 rooms that they have in Qatar, and even Dubai it'll be a premium price that will be charged. So we're trying to organize a new package for 3 to 4 days, because each team, once they play, the next game is about 5 days. So to stay in those countries will be expensive. So we're giving a new experience, a beach stay near the airport, and going to completely put it as the FIFA another home for FIFA. And also Sri Lanka has the lovely beaches, and the entertainment is full in Sri Lanka. So I think it's ideal. Even for 1 Indian rupee, you get 5 rupees in Sri Lanka. So it's going to be much cheaper coming to Sri Lanka than going anywhere else. So I'm telling you to make your next trip to Sri Lanka.
So how you seeing the trade now because things are getting better, and how we are looking for the trade between India and Sri Lanka now?
Yes, I think Indians have always helped us in many ways when we were in problem. They have been one of the main people who have supported us, and we think it's an ideal time for us to get Indians to really look at Sri Lanka as the next best destination for them to travel. It's like easy as going into another state. It's closer. From Delhi, a flight would maximum take 2.5 to 3 hours, and it's that easy. So the trade ties, when you really look at Sri Lanka and India, we have been going through a lot of changes, and IMF bailout package has been discussed in Sri Lanka. So we need to get our finances in order. So I think it's about the tourism revamping, our foreign remittances. We have a lot of people of Sri Lanka go to work abroad, and those remittances coming in, and as well as our apparel exports. We are one of the best in the world. Even Victoria's Secret is with Sri Lanka. So we do all of that. If those three really works out, that's 60% of our revenue. So we're quite hopeful, and we look like December we will have a huge season and lots of bookings coming in.
So we can see Indian currency working in Sri Lanka in the coming days.
We've been discussing that, and I think that that should be allowed, because Indian rupee could make us back strong as well. So we've been speaking with the central bank, and it looks like a positive outcome will come soon. I've been talking to the president even right now. The president, Ranil Wickremesinghe, is in Japan discussing about debt restructuring. So India is one of our biggest lenders, and we need to make sure that we honor it, and we will. Looks like in the coming next 3 to 4 months, we will be back to full flow and normal. And there's lots of sensationalizing news that goes through about Sri Lanka. So I'm thankful that positive news should come out, and we like to invite Indians, all these groups who are interested, that we have different packages that we are trying to get them to Sri Lanka for them to see. Seeing is believing, they say. So you have to come and see Sri Lanka is up and running. just like how it was.
So, this year, 2022, because pandemic has created things others way, and after this, we have seen crisis going on. But now things are getting better. So, what is the good news for the tourist lovers because they have been waiting to come to Sri Lanka and enjoying themselves?
Well, in short, Sri Lanka has the beach. It's the best beaches that you find. Very different to Maldives, but real manly beaches, I would say. And the heritage in Sri Lanka is brilliant. I mean, there's a culture, the history, the culinaries, and also we have a UNESCO site as well as they say the eighth world wonder, which is Sigiriya. So there's so much of things of culture, history, the Ramayana trails, which is a new thing that we are promoting. There's another thing called Pico Trails. So a lot for the young millennials, the adventure base, and also for the senior people who wants to retire, have an enjoyable time, and do some religious work as well. We are a very good nation for wellness. We have Ayurvedic treatment, yoga, meditation. So Sri Lanka is in a capsule with everything. So just swallow that capsule, come to Sri Lanka, you'll have everything.
So last question: any good programs coming up in the coming months so that the people can come and see and to promote any good culture programs coming soon?
Yes, we're trying to organize lots of events in December. There'll be loads of events. Colombo will be looking like a small Singapore with lots of illumination, with our lightings, lots of positive energy that is being put in. And also, I've been working with lots of airlines, Air India, Sri Lankan Airlines mostly, and also Indigo. We've discussed and have come through some real good negotiations on special packages. MasterCard will be promoting Sri Lanka. Uber will be promoting Sri Lanka. So all of those companies coming together, I think we will be all okay.
So waiting for the good news and waiting for the people to come and enjoy themselves in Sri Lanka. Thank you talking to
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
तो ये थे टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर जिन्होंने बताया कि आने वाले टाइम में बहुत सारी गुड न्यूज़ हैं जो आपके लिए इंतज़ार कर रही हैं फीफा वर्ल्ड कप है फुटबॉल लवर्स के लिए बहुत कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है कल्चर प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं जस्ट वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम टू कम बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे बातें चल रही हैं बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो आने वाली हैं एक सरप्राइज़ के पैकेज के तौर पे कैमरामैन संजय के साथ सौरभ शर्मा न्यूज़ नेशन दिल्ली